What up? What up? What up? What up? What up, you guys, man? It's your boy Amy, back in that thing, and I'm back with another video, man. Today episode, man, I would definitely be doing a mid muffler delete on my Hellcat. Yes, I said it. I will be doing a mid muffler delete on my Hellcat. It don't sound right to me. I mean, it sounds good, but it don't sound right to me. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start, let y'all hear how it sounds. The cold start sounds good, but I'll let y'all see. Yeah, so with that being said, man, I'm heading up to my guys again, GTO Mufflers and Brakes, man, so they could go ahead and give me a mid muffler delete. And man, we're gonna see how it sounds after they do that. Once again, man, if you're just tuning in, man, make sure you hit that share, like, and subscribe button, man. Post notifications on all so you get the latest updates and uploads to the videos that I post day to day or day after the next day. But yeah, man, it's a little gloomy day, man, but you know the grind don't stop. So stay tuned, man, until I get there, man. I'll hit you guys back. Alright guys, man, it's your boy AB back, man. I'm just putting up to GTO Mufflers. And I'm trying to I'm just putting up to GT Mufflers. I'm gonna pull my vehicle in, just let them know that yeah, I'm kind of ready. Get this bad boy, you know what I'm saying, up in here. Y'all see this number. Well, probably a little far back, but anyway, man, grab my mask and stuff. Y'all, give me a second while I put this mask on. Boy, it's early in the morning, man. I'm trying to do this before I go to work. But I'm not putting it in. The grind don't stop, guys. Another day, right? Yep. What's going on, fellas? How y'all doing today? What's up, man? Another day, man. The grind don't stop. Huh?
What is that? Is it phone? Mini phone or what?
Oh, this is my camera, man. Yeah. Hey, it follows the movement and everything, man.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, how y'all doing today? Good? Another day, right? Grind don't stop, baby.
So you got this. Well, how about the other one?
They gave me, I traded in for this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
I had to upgrade.
Uh-huh.
They gave me so much money for it, man. I couldn't deny it, man.
Okay.
How you been doing? You feeling good?
Yeah, good.
You had a couple people come, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you, man.
All right.
I got more though. I got more to come. Yeah, I've been getting a bunch of DMs now.
Uh-huh.
And I just told them like to come check you out. They said one of them came, said you wasn't here or something like that. So I told them come back, you will be here and stuff like that. So you already know, man. Yeah, baby. Can you do me a favor? Since I'm the only one that been in it, I don't know how it sound when you step on it. Can you step on it before you roll it in for me? Okay, guys, he gonna. You might need the key. Hold on. I'm always keeping the damn key in my pocket. All right, guys, you gonna ram it, buddy? It's gonna be way louder than that, guys. So just stay tuned, man. Yeah, man. The door not closed. I got you. Watch this.
Oh, yeah.
Like the old school though. Yep. Yeah, man. Just stay tuned, man. You gonna get me right. Yep. Yeah, man. Perfect. I know you guys just stay tuned. That's gonna sound way better than that when he finished, guys. Y'all heard how that sound? It sound okay, you know what I'm saying? But like, I just reached 500 miles, so I'm still gonna try the sound in a sport mode because I know that opens the valves up a little bit more. And you guys just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna give y'all live in depth footage of how it sound there, okay? glad you got good balance. Guys, let me know how y'all thought that sound, man. I thought it was pretty loud. I'm happy again, man. Every time you do it, man, I'll be happy because I just love that sound, man. That aggressive sound and everything, man. Like I said before, man. You just tuning in, man. Make sure you hit that share, like, and subscribe button. Man, post the notifications on all so you can get the updates when I drop the new video from day to day or day after the next day. You know how that go, right? So man, but until then, man, this is your choking on my damn own spit. But this your boy, man. This your boy AB and that thing, man, and now out.